Have you ever dreamed of building a seven-figure business from the ground up? What if I told you that the key to unlocking this level of success lies not in working harder, but in working smarter? Today, we're diving deep into a business model that's not just profitable, but is set to redefine the future of consulting. We're talking about building a higher-revenue artificial intelligence consultancy, but with a twist that changes everything. Forget trading your hours for dollars. We're going to build a system that generates massive recurring income, freeing you from the daily grind and putting you on the path to true financial freedom. The AI revolution is here, and it's bigger than the internet. Boom! Businesses across every single industry are scrambling to integrate AI into their operations. They know it's the future, but they have no idea where to start. They need experts, guides, and strategists to show them the way. This is where you come in. The demand for AI expertise is exploding, creating a once-in-a-generation opportunity for those ready to seize it. But here's the common mistake most people make. They start a traditional consulting business. They charge by the hour, get stuck in project-based work, and quickly hit an income ceiling. There are only so many hours in a day, right? This old model is broken. It's a direct path to burnout, not wealth. The secret to building a truly scalable and wildly profitable AI consultancy is to completely abandon the hourly billing model. Instead, we're going to focus on a retainer-based structure. Think of it like a subscription for your expertise. Your clients pay you a fixed, recurring fee every single month, not for your time, but for the results and the value you provide. This shift is monumental. It immediately transforms your business from a service for hire into a strategic partnership. Your income becomes predictable, stable, and, most importantly, scalable. You're no longer selling hours. You're selling outcomes. You're selling growth, efficiency, and a competitive edge in the age of AI. So, what does this look like in practice? Let's break down the blueprint. Your core offer won't be AI implementation. It will be a strategic AI transformation partnership. You'll work with businesses to identify key areas where AI can drive the most impact. Whether it's automating marketing, optimizing sales funnels, streamlining customer support, or revolutionizing their data analysis, your role is that of a high-level strategist. You're not the one in the trenches coding every day. You are the architect, the visionary who designs the AI roadmap for your clients. This positioning is crucial because it allows you to charge premium, high-ticket retainers, often starting at $5, $10, or even $20,000 per month, per client. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how can I possibly manage multiple high-paying clients without working 80 hours a week? This is where the magic of scalable automation comes in. You are going to build a business that runs on systems, not just your personal effort. You'll leverage a suite of powerful AI tools to do the heavy lifting. For example, you can use AI-powered marketing platforms to generate leads for your own consultancy. You'll use AI project management tools to keep client projects on track. And most importantly, you'll use no-code and low-code AI platforms to build and deploy solutions for your clients without needing a massive team of developers. Think about it. A client needs to automate their social media content creation. Instead of hiring a full-time social media manager, you can set them up with an AI system that generates, schedules, and analyzes posts for a fraction of the cost. The client gets an amazing result, and you've delivered it using a scalable tool. You can replicate this process for dozens of clients. You'll create standardized operating procedures, or SOPs, for everything you do. From onboarding a new client to delivering monthly performance reports, every step will be synchronized. This is how you decouple your time from your income. Your business grows, but your workload doesn't grow exponentially with it. You're building an asset, a machine that generates revenue, whether you're at your desk or on a beach. Let's get more specific on the services you can offer within this retainer model. The first tier could be an AI audit and strategy package. Here, you analyze a client's business and deliver a comprehensive roadmap detailing exactly how and where to implement AI for maximum return on investment. This is a high-value, low-effort entry point. The next tier is the AI implementation and management retainer. Here, you not only create the strategy, but you oversee its execution. You'll manage the implementation of AI tools, track key performance indicators, and provide ongoing optimization. You become their outsourced chief AI officer. For instance, a client in e-commerce might be struggling with cart abandonment. You could implement an AI-powered chatbot that engages customers in real time, answers questions, and offers personalized discounts to complete the purchase. The value is immediate and measurable. You can show your client a clear increase in sales that directly resulted from your intervention. This is what justifies your high-ticket retainer month after month. They aren't just paying for a tool. They're paying for the tangible business growth you're delivering. You become an indispensable part of their success. Building your authority is the next critical piece of the puzzle. You need to position yourself as the go-to expert in your chosen niche. Start creating content that demonstrates your knowledge. This YouTube channel is a perfect example. You can also start a blog, a newsletter, or a podcast. Share case studies, tutorials, and insights into the future of AI in business. Interview other experts, speak at industry events, and be active on professional networks like LinkedIn. The goal is to create a powerful personal brand that attracts high-quality clients to you. You won't be chasing leads, they'll be coming to you because they see you as the leading authority. Let's visualize the financial potential here. Imagine you sign just 5 clients on a modest $5,000 per month retainer. That's $25,000 in recurring monthly revenue. That's $300,000 a year. Now, what if you refine your systems and scale to 10 clients? That's $500,000 a year. And because you've built your business on scalable systems and automation, you're not working twice as hard. You're leveraging technology to create wealth. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic plan for building a sustainable, high-growth business in the most exciting industry of our lifetime. The future of business isn't just about using AI, it's about building businesses around AI. By creating a retainer-based AI consultancy, you're not just capitalizing on a trend, you're building a future-proof asset. You're positioning yourself at the forefront of technological change and creating a life of freedom and impact. The blueprint is clear. Shift from hours to outcomes. Embrace retainers, leverage automation, build your authority, and focus on delivering undeniable value. This is your chance to stop trading time for money and start building real, generational wealth. This model is your ticket to escaping the freelancer trap and becoming a true entrepreneur. You're building a firm, a system, an engine of wealth generation that is completely decoupled from your personal time. The demand is here, the tools are available, and the opportunity is immense. The only question is, are you ready to build it? Start today by identifying your niche. Is it AI for real estate agents? AI for law firms? AI for online coaches? Get specific. Then, start creating content that speaks directly to that audience's pain points. Offer to do a free AI audit for your first few clients to build case studies. The journey starts with a single step, and the path to a 7-figure AI consultancy is laid out right in front of you. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore this incredible business opportunity. If you found this information valuable and want to learn more about building your own AI-powered empire, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have a lot more in-depth strategies and tutorials coming your way. Drop a comment below and let me know what part of this blueprint excites you the most. Until next time, keep building the future.